This is Travis the Trader coming back to you live here on Wednesday morning. This is May the 29th, 2024. In my last video that I uploaded, I showed how one can structure an iron condor. This was a defined risk delta neutral trade. In this video, I want to show you how to set up an undefined risk trade, still delta neutral, but undefined. And so what this is referred to, this sort of trading strategy, option strategy, is what they call a strangle. We are selling a strangle out in the market. And so what I like to do is, again, using the same example, I'm using 51 days to expiration. I'm using the expected move, which here it's gone up slightly to about $18. So I'm still going to take the 508 expiration, the 508 strike price, selling at the 353 bid at the bid, and then I am going to sell the 545 strike for $2.21 to give me a total of $5.75. I'm putting up about $8,700 of capital. Again, substantially more capital than the defined risk trade. My max loss, because it's an undefined risk trade, it potentially SPY could potentially go to zero. Again, probabilities probably say otherwise. And my probability of profit, but keep in mind, my probability of profit is slightly better. It's about 10% better than the defined risk. Here I'm getting about 60% probability of profit. So it's telling me that on the day of expiration, I have a 60% chance of making at least 1 penny. Now, also keep in mind, and the way to understand this is that I think, me as Travis the Trader, I'm saying that over the next 51 days, that SPY will trade between my strike price of 508, that's to the downside, to the upside of 545. Now, I need everyone to keep in mind that if you look at the delta here, the delta is 3.5. Not delta neutral in an ideal world theoretically should be zero, or as close to zero as possible. This is still viewed as a delta neutral undefined risk trade, but at the end of the day, the reason why that you're seeing a positive delta here is the stock is slightly down, and because you have 51 days, the platform, the trading software is telling us in order for us to stay as close to zero as possible, we need the stock to come up just a little bit. Now, for those of you that did find value in this video, please subscribe to my channel. Send me a like, send me a thumbs up, as well as any comments or questions that you may have. And I look forward to seeing you at the next video.